Welcome back, everybody. I'm still in the middle of the Griddle tour. I have 2 days at home and then straight out to Cincinnati, Ohio. Shout out to Blackstone social media department because they put together another flashback for you today. Are you ready for this? Texas butter pecan French toast. Here with Susie, and she's gonna help me as we make our French toast batter here. So Susie, let's crack some eggs. The secret today here in the South is the Southern Butter Pecan Coffee Creamer. I love it, and this is gonna be perfect for this recipe. Susie, you tell me when, and we'll just put it in there. This is gonna give us that great flavor.
That's it.
There we go. Have Susie drop a couple pads of butter down here on the griddle top. Okay, and we got some pecans yesterday. All right. What do you think, Susie? Do you think they look good?
They look golden brown. They're done.
Gonna pull those toasted Texas pecans aside until later. We're gonna go in with some butter. This is where we are gonna make that delicious Texas pecan French toast syrup. Brown sugar, some dark brown sugar. A little bit of ground cinnamon, Texas honey. Of course, you're in Texas, baby. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous Texas honey right there. That's the makings of our syrup right there. We're gonna put this over here. I'm actually gonna turn this burner off. The griddle top is already hot enough, and we're gonna let that syrup start to set up right there. We're gonna put these down here. I have our batter, of course, in this big lasagna type of pan. We're gonna go straight down here onto the hot griddle top. I like to use a super thin spatula when you're talking about crepes and French toast, so get in there and give them a flip. Perfect, that's what you want. Nice little accents of yellow and brown on there. Come back over here to our syrup. You can see that's looking really nice, and we have those toasted pecans. Gonna put those there in the syrup like so, and we're gonna mix. Oh my goodness, this is where magic starts to happen here. Look at that. French toast is looking perfect, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that, put that on our cutting board. Oh baby, are you ready? We're gonna pour this down. We'll start right over here. Get some of those pecans in there. And that delicious looking syrup. There we go. Now we need to get the pecans. They weren't cooperating with me. A little bit of ice cream on top. Our ice cream is melting here in the Texas heat, but that's all fine. That's all good. So go down with a little bit of cinnamon. Take a look at that.
Todd, let's give it a try.
Oh baby, I'm going in there. Go.
That's delicious.
Friends.
The syrup is delicious.
Oh man, Susie, yeah, that was so good. You know, I've never toasted my pecans. I like them cold. Oh my goodness, got to get in there for one more bite. Sticky. Delicious. I've had a blast hanging out here in Flower Mound with my friends Susie and Paul. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd and Susie and Paul. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the Texas
Butter pecan
French toast.